Dad and Hobby Frog, and we're gonna race, me and Hobby Pig and Hobby Bear, we're gonna race against them. Get ready for some fun. Okay. Oh, look at this. All right, you guys ready? So this is what steers it. We gotta pedal. All right, so we're pedaling, and we're gonna go over there. We're gonna try to, and get them. Hi! Hi! We see you! Hi! Oh no, we're gonna crash into the wall! Seriously, Hobby Pig, OMG, we need to turn. We can't go straight. Our boat. Oh my goodness. Okay, backwards. Let's take it backwards. All right, backwards. We can't get out. We can't get out. There we go. Get out forward. Okay, forward. There we go. Nice. Are you pedaling? Here we are. We're still pedaling.
How many feet deep is it?
I think this thing is only like 3 feet deep. It's all man-made. This is a man-made little lagoon lake thingy. And we're trying to make it to that bridge over there. But we keep crashing. See, we keep getting really close to the edge. We're trying to make it way over there to the bridge. Can you guys see the bridge? It's a lot of work because we're pedaling a lot. See, he's pedaling like crazy. Are you pooped out? Uh-oh. We're gonna crash. Oh man. Oh boy. Like a giant pillar there.
Poop.
Ew. Bird poop.
I'm afraid of sharks.
There's no sharks in here.
I saw sharks fin.
You know, they can't fit through the holes. Look, you can tell other people have crashed into it. There's like holes all over the side of this thing. We're about to again. Almost. We almost did. Okay, move her reacting. This is hard. Yeah, you're not doing anything. You're just kicking back, relaxing, enjoying the show while Hobby Pig and I are pedaling like crazy. Are they coming? They're way back there. Man. Okay, I do not want to go into that thing. Okay, why? How do we not go into that thing?
I don't know.
We're headed right for it!
I think we're okay.
Oh god, we need to go that way. Like over there. Oh no, not happening. It's not happening. So we decided to turn around away from that fountain. This is gonna get us all wet. We're gonna head back this way and see if we can find Hobby Dad and Hobby Frog. Because we don't know where they are. There they are. You guys see them? There they are. Hi, where'd you guys go? Oh, because yeah, you were in an orange one. It was not a good boat? You guys had to swim.
Every time I paddle, you leave inside.
Oh no!
Hey, don't hit us.
Ah, bumper boats!
Let's go, guys.
Let's go, come on, let's get them. We're not getting them. You're going the wrong, that's why.
How about you steer, not just pedal?
Oh, fine, I'll steer. I don't care. Okay, I care a little bit. They're beating us again. We came back for you guys, and now you guys are beating us. Here you are, once again. Same path, to the same scary fountain. It's no fair, Hobby Dad has stronger, longer legs. You little stinkers! You're not humble about it either. Here we go, we're gonna totally crash. Oh, geez. Oh! Oh, boy. We're gaining up on them. Look at that nasty, disgusting water. It's so gross. It's all murky. Okay, we finally made it. We're backwards, but we made it. We made it back.